Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a strategy or a thing which happens in stock market where a retail investors like you and me will be trapped, okay? And how we can be aware of this kind of trap and save our money. So this strategy or this thing in stock market is basically called as pump and dump strategy, where you can see the stock prices will be pumped up so high. Here you can see I have put up a beautiful example. So this is a company called as Vari Technologies. The price of this company on December 2023 was somewhere around 400 rupees, and then it started to rise, okay, and it moved up to 2200 rupees just in 4 months. Just in 4 months it made a gain of 500 percentage, okay. This is what we called as pump up. So what they do is basically they push the stock prices high so that retail investors like you and me feel that okay, this is going to be a multi bagger and we invest in this stock, okay. But then what happens is they start to dump this stock to the retail investors like you and me. For example, if I have bought this stock at 2000 rupees and there is a continuous selling, what I feel that okay, from 200 it has come down to 1300 or 1400, I can average my stock more. So what retail investors will do, since we don't like to book losses, what we will do, we will again start to buy this stock. And then what happens, the people who have already made money, so for example people who has already invested his money here, he will be selling his stocks continuously to the retailers and see what has happened here, okay. So now this stock is at around 330 rupees. So you can see while movement or while going up it has just taken 3 or 4 months so that the quick money is made, but while coming down it has taken, so in almost 10 months it has come down. So who are all trapped here? People who have bought the stock here at very high price thinking that okay, this is gonna go up and up and up. So those people are trapped. So now coming to the suggestions, how we can save ourselves from these kind of manipulation in the stock market. What you can basically do is, if you can look into these charts, what is happening here? Like while it was going up, what was happening here? You can see the prices were very small. It was just going in a upper circuit. So upper circuit means every day there was a rise of stock of somewhere around 5%, 5%, 5%, and it was continuous. So there was no participation, or I would say there was a very less participation. You can see that in terms of volume also. So there were no participation or no trading happening. So every day it would jump 5% and it would go up. Okay. And now while dumping is happening, you can see the same thing which is happening here. So every day it is falling. So there is no actual participation in the market where the prices goes up or comes down. There is nothing like this. So one thing what you have to understand is when the prices of the stocks are continuously jumping 5% or 10%, something similar to that, day on day, you have to avoid these kind of stocks, and or when it is coming down. Because why does this happen? Because while going up, when even if you do a trading like in the normal trading hours is from 9:30 to 3:30, even when you put your orders, these orders will not be executed because it is continuously going up, and whatever the small quantity is there, it is already completed. This is what happens, and you don't get a participation, so that you miss a big rally. But when it comes down so drastically that you don't get a chance to come out of this stock. For example, if you see here, from 900 rupees, it has continuously fallen down. So even if you want to sell this stock, it would be very difficult. You might get 1 or 2 days to sell this actually, but the problem is until then you might have lost a lot of your money. Okay, so this is one of the way how to be safe with pump and dump strategy. And one more thing, like before investing into any stock, I would suggest you to do a slight bit of fundamental analysis, like what the company is doing and how the things are going on with this company. So what I'll do is I'll take you to one of the website called StockEdge, and we'll just analyze what is this Vari Technologies doing. Okay, so this is a good website where you can just go through what is the basics of the company and other things. So I'll not take too much of your time. We'll just go to the financials, and in the profit and loss statement, you can see that there is no business for this company. So ideally, at 2020 it was minus 1 crore, which is nothing. Then 2021 it was zero. 2022 it was 13 crores. 2023 it was 29 crores. Just like with 10 to 20 crores the company is making business, and even if you see the profit after tax, there is nothing. There is the company is not generating any money. So you can simply come into the analogy that at 2021 and 2022, if the company is not making any profit, then how come the stock is so flying up here like in 2024? It has not made any money. So it is a the stock market is very simple, where you have to just understand the business of the company, how it is behaving, and also you have to look into the financial aspects of the company. Not like it's not that deep analysis you have to do. You just have to do basic checks like what is the revenue of the company, whether the company is making profit or not. So by these small analysis, you can clearly understand that this company does not have any big business or such, so that the company's stock price can go so high. And by this way, you can understand that this is a clear pump and dump strategy where retail investors are getting trapped and losing money. So if you like this video and if you like this concept of pump and dump, please do subscribe to our channel and follow me. And if you have any queries with respect to your own stock selection or something like that, you can get back to us or you can comment to this video so that I can try to make a video on that. Okay, thank you. And this is not advice to buy any of the stock. It's not a recommendation. It's just an educational video like how the pump and dump strategy works in stock market. Thank you. Bye bye.